guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So as the title says, Nykaa just launched 10 new shades of their So Matte lipsticks, and these are basically the minis and very economical way of getting more of the shade range of this amazing formula. So I thought I'll share the entire shade range with you guys, and let's just see the range and then we'll come back and talk further. Range of Nykaa So Matte, and it came in this gorgeous little pouch. The logic of giving this sling is that these are so tiny. Let me show you. So these are so tiny that they can fit in any of your clutches. They're really travel friendly and yeah, hardly take up any space. Formula we all know is amazing. It's creamy matte. It's not like something that will make your lips really dry and flaky, but it's the right amount of creaminess so that the lips can actually feel alive. My lips are not sticky at all. It glides on really nice, and pigmentation is really good in most of the lipsticks, but I'll have to say that there are one or two in which you need 2 coats to get the full opaque look. So if you are the kind of person who wants variety but do not want to spend a lot of money, then I would say that these lipsticks are a great deal. Each tube costs 199 rupees, and I think it's great if you can just buy 2-3 of them and alternate, because they have every color from really dark to really light, from browns to nudes to pinks to peaches. So if you want a lot of variety in your collection, then I think it's better to get these minis rather than committing to the full size of the tube. Honestly, you can use a lipstick as much as you want, but there are hardly any lipsticks that you run out of. So I think this is a great way. It's just like a luxury, I would say a luxury deluxe size sample that you can buy for almost no cost. And yeah. So if you are into lipsticks, then definitely give these a try. And this video is not sponsored, but the kit was sent to me by Nykaa. I thought I'll share all the colors with you guys so that you can pick the color that you like. If you ask me, I have 2 or 3 specific shades that I completely love. Let me just pull up the card. So yeah, these are all the shades that they've just launched, 10 new shades. I love the shade Bonbon. Peachy. What shade I totally love is Totes Neutral. So yeah, that was all for today's video. This time I made sure not to repeat the mistake of not showing the entire colors, as happened with foundations, and a lot of you were not happy about that. So yeah, that is all. I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.